It was an afterthought to come here. It was not part of the major city circuit in Japan. The usuals that most tourists go running towards: Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto, and Hiroshima. This city for us was simply a stopover on our way to South Korea. We dedicated very little time to this city, and we regret that. Can you guess where we are yet? If so, pause the video and comment below. We are in Fukuoka, and if you commented below and got that right, I think you are expert level when it comes to traveling in Japan. Now, let's get into the reasons why we regretted not spending much time here and why you should dedicate at least 3 days to this beautiful city. Reason number one, Fukuoka is very laid back. Maybe this is its proximity to the water and it being a coastal town, but you feel like you can actually immerse yourself in the culture without dealing with all the hustle and bustle of someplace like Tokyo. Fukuoka is still a big city. It has 1.5 million people, but it is very close to some amazing attractions, especially when it comes to the islands of Japan. Nokonoshima and Shinkonoshima. They're only a day trip away. Then there is the Atiya street food stalls. Now, as an American, this is exactly how you picture Japan. This is the culture you dream about being a part of and experiencing. There are actually over 100 of these in Fukuoka. They seat about 5 to 7 people, and it is like an American food truck, but way cooler. Now, we decided to try one of the top-rated ramen spots, Shinshin Ramen. Now, we've already been to Ichiran and had a traditional ramen experience in Tokyo, so we're pretty much ramen experts by this point. There was, of course, a line. Would it be ramen in Japan without a line? Certainly not good ramen. After about 45 minutes, we were let in. Yes, 45 minutes. The setup was tight and the smells were delicious. Everything was lining up.
What?
We got a spot at the bar and slurped our way through this dish. We are in Shinshin Ramen. It is beyond hard to film in here, but this is amazing. The noodles are hot and the flavors are bold. Ella's got a friend.
Don't film me.
All right, ramen in Japan experience. First, in Tokyo, we went to Afuri Ramen. Second, Osaka, we went to Ichiran Ramen. Third, Fukuoka, we went to Shinshin Ramen. All three are amazing, but the order ranks in the order that we went. I think have to give number one to Afuri Ramen. It was an amazing experience. Fukuoka is a port city. It is surrounded by water and has water running through it, which makes it even more beautiful. And maybe that's what contributes to the laid-back vibe. We also got to stay in a robot hotel.
We're making our way to the Dinosaur Robot Hotel. Yeah. Reviews go 50-50. Most say it's great, but the check-in process can be a little difficult. Well, there was a delay with the check-in, so we're gonna go check it out.
Welcome to the Henna Hotel. Please use the touch panel to select your language.
Robots are fun, but it's limiting.
Authorizing. Please wait.
We are in room number 811. Okay, we did it! Can't want them all. Location seems really good, so Dino Hotel.
A little late, you need a snack in Japan, and you run in and get yourself a smoothie from the one and only 7-Eleven. Just like that from 7-Eleven. Fresh fruit smoothie for $2. 2 US bucks, 300 yen. 7-Eleven, we gotta do this in the States. As I said in the beginning of this video, our stop in Fukuoka was way too short. Have you been there? Do you have any recommendations? We would love to hear them. Drop a comment below. Maybe you have another hidden city that you would like people to explore. Now, it's not going to get blown up if you drop a comment. If somebody drops a comment at a cool city and somebody else watches the full part of this video, goes to that comment, finds the hidden city, and then visits it, I mean, come on, they deserve to see the hidden city. If you enjoyed this video, it will be awesome if you hit the like button. If you made it this far and you found value or you were entertained, it would be awesome if you subscribed. We also had an amazing experience in Osaka, Japan's kitchen. I will link that video here. Go over there and check that out. Thanks again for watching.